Okay, now that you've created your Facebook business page, it's time to work on your shop. So you should have a shop in your Facebook business page, and from your shop people can go in and have a look at what items you're selling. So come to your profile again, and all your pages should be listed here. If you've got too many pages and you can't see it, click on show more, and here is the business page that I just created in the last video. So my business page here is called The Frog, and I'd like to, you can invite your friends later. I'd like to check out my shop. Okay, so shop is here. I click on shop to set it up, and it's just like a real shop where you should have some sections, and then your products will go into those different sections and categories. Click on I agree. Okay, you can leave it at this first for absolute beginners, and now change the currency from US dollars to PGK, so alphabetical order. Come up here, PNG key and save. Welcome to your shop, and this is where you start adding some products. So you can start adding products here. Okay, so you wouldn't just go and upload any kind of picture on your page anywhere. The idea is to come into your business page and go to your shop and add a product. Product here will allow you to add photos, give the name, the price, and description, whether or not it's on sale, and it's in PNG Kina, so it's not confusing your buyers. Once you've added your picture in here, then you can save it, and it will appear in your shop, and you can also share it. So in order to share your products or share your shop even, you need to be part of some groups, some business groups, like local Medang market or PNG local market.